new city. Waiting to go pop-up store. That's the queue. I'm thinking it's gonna take an hour. Haley thinks it's gonna take an hour.
Oh my god, he's already on his bullshit.
He's having a conversation.
How big was it?
I think if you didn't, it wouldn't even let you. Oh, over there, that's what we have to do. Over there. Alright. We're waiting in line to get a picture with the blow up Eevee. I'm recording. There's the line. It took us about 45 minutes to get into the pop-up store. Haley got that. I didn't record anything because it was very, very, very overwhelming in there. It was packed to the grill. We waited in that line over there because you do a picture. And it used to be a pen. I mean, yesterday it was a pen, but today it's keychains. So we got our keychains, and now we're waiting in line for Eevee. And then I'll show our haul of what we bought later. And I'm sorry for not recording in there, but like I said, it was packed. It was very overwhelming. Too much. I can show you the keychains real quickly. So they gave us a postcard. And then our keychain. Alright, we just got to the room. So this is the pop-up shop, Pokemon Co. Chicago. This is our haul. So I got this for Abby and this for Abby. They have the anniversary pins, and these are what the shirt looked like every year. So this was 2018. That's the first year I went to Pokemon Go Fest in Chicago. So I got me one. Haley liked that, so she got her one, and I got one for my friend Eddie. This was 2019. I also went that year, so that one is for me. Haley liked this one, so she picked that one. So in 2018, I did not get a shirt. So that's the only Go Fest shirt I don't have. So they had every single old shirt, so I did get that one. So now, no, I'm sorry. This is 2017. I did not go in 2017. I'm so confused right now.
That's 2018.
This is 18. Right?
That's 2018. It's the same exact as the pen.
Yeah, 18 is what I wanted. Sorry. So 18, that's 18. That's what the shirt looked like for 18. I got 18. This is that Haley got that. These are two, what are these called? Turtwig. These are the only one that had the bag clip on it, so I got one for me and Jenny, and then Haley picked out those pins. So there we go. This is our haul from the Pokemon Go pop-up store. All right, we're walking.
One of these pop things.
We're walking, still raining. We're walking to the middle part to pre-order pickup. What time do you have?
150.
All right, so we got 10 minutes before it starts, so we're gonna go see if there's no line for pre-order pickup. I just ordered a t-shirt and bag, and we're gonna go get that. Two things that I should be able to easily put in my bag.
Appreciate it, folks.
Yeah, I saw champagne color.
Oh, it's a water refill. I guess a photo op right here. They have the maps for the different years.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Dad, there's a moon dress blow up.
Billy, good.
Okay, pretty cool.
Hey, that's where Vito played and I missed it.
Alright, can we, are we on
There's
the...
Articuno.
Oh, okay, so we'll take pictures by each one. Okay, okay. We're in the Rocket Grunt area, the Rocket area. It only rained for like, what'd you say it rained, like 20 minutes? And then it's back to that. So everyone is trying to find shade wherever they can. We're currently using our umbrellas for a minute. Because in the Grunt area, the Go Rocket area, unfortunately, there's not a lot of shade. Alright, so as you can see, it's packed. It's packed. It's, huh? Okay. We're just walking back because we have to walk 1K. So we're just gonna walk from one end to the other. And I'm just trying to show all the people. So it's just not on, it's both sides too. Alright, so we're leaving. That's the line at the merchandise store. It closes in 10 minutes. There's Jigglypuff over there. So, what time is it? 5:54. So it ends at 6, but we're walking out a couple minutes early. Not too many, just a couple. And we're exhausted. And I did not do my pre-order pickup because it was like a huge line. So tomorrow's our City Walk day. So we are going to come here to wait in line to pick up my merch order tomorrow morning. Alright, we just finished our last challenge. We got to walk all the way over to Union Station. This guy in his taxi's feeding us chickens. Oh my god. Oh my god, So anyway, we just finished the city part. So now the last thing on our agenda is the Harry Potter store. And possibly a bakery depending how we feel after the Harry Potter store. But we passed the Cava. And so we're gonna go back and eat the late lunch at the Cava. I think we originally were contemplating this Korean barbecue place. But we just don't know if we feel like eating that much food. So pretty. Haley now thinks she needs to go to medical school in Chicago. She's very impressed with walking around Chicago. Alright, so we're still on the Riverwalk, and I would say it's pretty popular. There's lots of people pass, or we pass people. There's kayaks there. It's a very nice walk. It is Sunday morning, so I'm sure that's part of why this is so busy. There's a lot of people out walking their dog. There's the Trump Tower. A lot of people out walking their dogs and running. Alright, we've been waiting in line for the merchandise store for about maybe 20 minutes. I went and got my pre-order pickup already, and there was literally like no wait. There was like 3 people in front of me, so I walked in. No problem. It was very nice compared to yesterday. Alright, we're walking in. I'm sure it's gonna be quick. I don't think we need it. Park. We did not buy anything in that pop-up store at Grants Park. It definitely was picked through, which we expected because it was the last day. But it definitely did not have, it just mainly had t-shirts and the pins. Their plush was, they really didn't have, they had the plush backpacks, but that's about it. They didn't have any of the little plush and stuff that New City had. So now we are gonna walk around Chicago for a little bit. We're gonna go to a K-pop store, and then the Harry Potter store, and then eat lunch, and then head home.